Hi guys, today we're going to talk to you about the Iced Coffee Smoothie Bombs and why you should have it in your life.
So let's go through all the benefits.
It's great for all-day focus.
And it's antioxidant rich.
And the MCT powder in it will help keep your mind alert.
Gets rid of all that brain fog. It's got real organic coffee in it.
And the added nuts and seeds contain the omega-3 and 6s that help make your brain work really well.
You're gonna love the time-saving convenience. Anyway, enough chit-chat, let's get in and show you how to make it. My favorite combo with this bomb is frozen banana. Let me show you how I make it. So first things first, I've got one frozen banana here, so you always add the fruit in. And now I'm gonna crumble one iced coffee smoothie bomb in. So we take it out, and then we take the compostable wrapper off. I've got a home compost bin, so I save mine and chuck them in there. And you just crumble the bomb in, so just like that. Voila.
Simple.
Now I'm adding oat milk in, but you can add any milk that you usually use. So just 1 cup of milk. And then you just blend for 1 minute. Easy. And that's literally all it is, ready to go. It's delicious.
And it's a great way to get your morning coffee in with all those extra nutrients.
Give it a go.